Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. Today in this video, let us going to discuss example 16 and 17 in mensuration of 10th class mathematics. Right? So friends, before going to the topic, please subscribe my channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Yes, thank you. Yes, let us going to the topic. Yeah. See, this is the example 16. A hemispherical bowl of internal radius 15 centimeters contains a liquid. The liquid is filled into cylindrical bottles of diameter 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. How many bottles are necessary to empty the bowl? A hemispherical bowl is there of radius 15 centimeters, contains a liquid. It is filled into cylindrical bottles. It is filled into cylindrical bottles of diameter 5 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. So, how many bottles can exist to empty the bowl? To empty the bowl, let us find. Yes, here volume of this liquid, volume of the hemispherical bowl is equal to volume of the cylindrical bottles, right? Yes, let us find. Hemispherical bowls. Yes, radius R is equal to how much? Yes, 15 centimeters, right? Yeah, its volume V is equal to, yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? Yeah, 2 by 3 into pi into radius how much? Yes, here 15 into 15 into 15 centimeter cube. Keep like this. Okay, don't simplify. Next, cylindrical bottles. Yes, diameter has given. Diameter D is equal to, yes, 5 centimeters. Then its radius R is equal to D by 2 na 5 by 2 centimeters. Next, its height is equal to, yeah, height is equal to H, 6 centimeters also given. Next, its volume, what is the formula? V is equal to pi r square H only na. So, pi into r square. Yes, how much radius? Yes, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into its height is 6. It is also centimeter cube only. Why? Because of volume, no? Yeah. So, number of cylindrical bottles we say as N, right? So here N into volume of the cylindrical bottle is equal to volume of the hemisphere, right? Volume of the hemisphere. N into volume of the cylindrical bottle is equal to volume of the hemisphere or not? Yes, exactly. So N is equal to volume of hemisphere by volume of cylinder here. So volume of cylindrical bottle, which means, right, volume of hemisphere is equal to how much? Yeah, see, this is 2 by 3 into pi into 15 into 15 into 15 by volume of the cylindrical bottle, pi into, yes, 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 6, isn't it? Yeah, look here, 2 3s are 6, right? Next, 5 in 15 how many times? 5 3s are 15. Again 5 in 15 3 times. 3 get cancelled. Next, on both sides pi get cancelled. Here 3 get cancelled, right? What is the remaining part? Yes, 2 into 15 is there here. 2 into 15 is there, and denominator by denominator will become as numerator, and another 2 is also there. So that is equal to 15 2s are 30, 32 is 60. Therefore, number of cylindrical bottles required to empty this ball is equal to 60. Got it? Yes. Example 17. The diameter of a metallic sphere is 6 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire having diameter of cross section as 0.2 centimeters. Find the length of the wire. See, a hemisphere is there. Its diameter is 6 centimeters. It is melted and drawn into a wire. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter of 0.2 centimeters. So then what is the height of the wire we have to find, right? So here volume of the sphere is equal to volume of the wire or not? Yes. Why? It is melted and recast into the wire, right? Yeah, let us do. Spheres radius r is equal to how much? See here diameter given, no? First write down diameter d is equal to 6 centimeters. So that implies radius r is equal to 6 by 2. This is 3 centimeters. Next its volume is equal to, yes, 4 by 3 pi r cube only na. So 4 by 3 into pi into 3 into 3 into 3, right? Radius is 3 only na. So 3 get cancelled. Now 4 3s are 12, 12 3 the 36 pi centimeter cube. Keep like this. Volume of the sphere is. Next sphere is melted. Sphere is melted and reshaped in the form of cylindrical wire, right? Cylindrical wire, isn't it? It is in the shape of cylinder or not? Yeah. Therefore volume of the wire is equal to volume of the sphere. Volume of the wire is equal to volume of the sphere, right? So volume of the wire means here pi r square h. Why? Because of it is in the shape of cylinder. So pi r square h is equal to, here this is 36 pi. Here pi into radius how much? This is diameter 0.2 centimeters. Radius will be, yes, 0.1. 0.1 into 0.1 into height is equal to 36 pi. Right? Pi on both sides get be cancel na. Yeah, it is also can be written as 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 into h is equal to 36. So h is equal to 36 into 10 into 10. 1 by 10 transferred to this side. So h is equal to 3600 centimeters. Height of the wire or length of the wire is equal to 3600 centimeters, which is in meters means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So convert into meters. By h is equal to 3600 by 100. 2 zeros, 3 zeros get cancelled. 36 meters. Therefore the length of the wire is equal to 36 meters. Have you understood clearly? Yes. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.